Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about metric measures for grade 5. Metric measures is used for measuring distance, length, capacity, mass and weight of the material. Measures of length. Length of the material is measured by using ruler and measuring tape. The standard unit for measuring length is meter. The other units are kilometer, hectometer, decameter. These are the bigger units. And meter is the smaller unit. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter are the smaller units of length. If we are moving from top to bottom, the units are from big to small. If we are moving from bottom to top, the units are from small to big. Now we are going to see about what is the conversion of units. For the conversion of unit, first we can write what are the unit of length. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. If we want to convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, at that time we have to multiply the number. If you want to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, at that time you have to divide it with the number. Now, if you want to convert from kilometer to hectometer, at that time we have to multiply with 10. If you want to convert hectometer to decameter, at that time also you have to multiply with 10. Suppose if you want to convert from meter to decameter, that is from small unit to big unit, at that time you have to divide it with 10. If you want to convert meter to decimeter, at that time also you have to multiply with 10. dm to cm, that also you have to multiply with 10. And if you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, at that time you have to divide it with 10. That is, for nearby unit, if you want to convert from big unit to small unit, you have to multiply with 10. And if you want to convert from small unit to big unit, you have to divide it with 10. If you want to convert from kilometer to decameter, that is, we want to convert from big unit to small unit, so we have to multiply. Now in between km and dm, how many tens are there? There are 2 10, so we have to multiply with 100. Now if you want to convert from cm to dam, that is, we want to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit. If you want to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. Now in between dam and cm, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens. So we have to divide it with 1000. Now if you want to convert from meter to millimeter, if you want to convert meter to millimeter, that is, we want to convert from big unit to small unit, so we have to multiply. Now in between meter and millimeter, how many tens are there? There are 3 tens, so we have to multiply with 1000. Now if you want to convert from millimeter to dam, that is, if you want to convert to millimeter to dam, means we have to divide. Now here in between mm and dam, how many tens are there? Here 3, then this is 4, so we have to divide it with 40, that is 10,000. Now if you want to convert from dam to km, that also you have to divide. Now in between dam and km, how many tens are there? There are 2 tens, so we have to divide it with 100. In that way we can convert from one unit to another unit. For converting bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply. For converting the smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. Now we have to convert 35 kilometer to meter. So first we can write the units. What are the units? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter and meter. We can stop here. That is, we want to convert from kilometer to meter. So here the conversion is from kilometer to meter, that is from big unit to small unit, so we have to multiply. Now here how many tens are there? There are 3 tens, so we have to multiply with 1000. So here we can write 1 meter is equal to 1000 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer. So here we can write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 35 kilometer is equal to 35 into 1000 meter. So for multiplying this one, first we have to add the number 35, then here 1000, there are 3 0, so we have to add the 3 0. 35,000 meter. Now here we want to convert 4535 millimeter to meter. So here we can write the units. What are the units? We can start from meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Here we want to convert from millimeter to meter, that is conversion is from small to big, so we have to divide. Now in between these two, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, so we have to divide it with 1000. So here we can write 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. Therefore 4535 millimeter is equal to 4535 divided by 1000. If you want to divide it with 1000, in denominator there was 3 0. So in our answer, after decimal point there must be 3 digits. That digit we have to count from right end to left end. That is first one, second one, third one. So we have to write decimal point after 4. So 4.535 meter. Here also meter. Okay. Now we have to convert 1038 meter to kilometer. For converting meter to kilometer, first we have to write the units. What are the units? We can start from kilometer, because here kilometer, hectometer, decameter and the meter. Now here we want to convert meter to kilometer. Okay, so we have to divide. Now in between meter and kilometer, how many tens are there? There are 3 10. So we have to divide with 1000. So here we can write 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Therefore 1038 meter is equal to 1038 divided by 1038 divided by 1000. Here we want to divide it with 1000. So after decimal point there must be 3 digits. So we can write 1.038 kilometer. So 1038 meter is equal to 1.38 kilometer. Now here we will do one more problem. That is, we want to convert 42 meter 200 centimeter to centimeter. Here there are 2 units. So first we have to split the 2 units. That is, here we can write 42 meter plus 200 centimeter. Now the second term is in centimeter, so no need to do any conversion. The first term, that is in meter, so that one we have to convert. For converting the first one, we can write the unit, that is meter, dm, centimeter and millimeter. Here we want to convert from big unit to small unit, that is meter to centimeter. So we have to multiply. In between the two there are 2 10, so we have to multiply with 100. So here we can write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 42 meter is equal to 42 into 100 centimeter. So we can write 42 into 100, that is, we have to add 20, 4200 centimeter. Now here this value you have to write instead of 42 meter. So here we can write, instead of 42 meter we can write 4200 centimeter plus 200 centimeter. Now these are in same unit, so we can add the numbers. 4200 plus 200, the unit is in centimeter. Now for adding these two, first 4, then 2 plus 2 4, then you can write 20, that is 4400 centimeter. Thank you.
If you like this,